Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Mike here, and I'm excited to be teaming up with Sadia Adil today. We're going to be talking about one of the most versatile fruits out there, the lemon. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. We're not just squeezing lemon on our fish today, we're going to unlock the secret health benefits, and I'm going to give you 5 amazing home remedies using lemons. Let's get started. Let's talk about digestion. We've all been there, that feeling of bloating, indigestion. It's the worst. But before you reach for the antacids, let me tell you about a simple, natural solution. Lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of warm water and fresh lemon juice can make a world of difference. Lemons contain citric acid, which stimulates bile production in your liver, aiding digestion. Think of lemon juice as giving your digestive system a set of steak knives. It helps your body break down food more efficiently, so you're not left feeling bloated and uncomfortable. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water first thing in the morning and you're good to go. Who doesn't want glowing, radiant skin? Lemons are bursting with vitamin C and have natural properties that can help brighten your skin and fade dark spots. You can dilute a teaspoon of lemon juice with some water or yogurt, apply it to your face like a mask, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then rinse it off. You'll be amazed by how much brighter and more even-toned your skin looks. Plus, the vitamin C in lemons is a collagen-boosting superstar, which means it helps keep your skin looking firm, youthful, and wrinkle-free. It's like a mini facial in your kitchen. Your skin will thank you for it. Let's be real. We all want those little hacks to help us reach our weight loss goals. Lemon can be your new best friend. It's not a magic solution, but it can give you an edge. The acidity in lemon juice can help boost your metabolism. A faster metabolism means you're burning more calories throughout the day. Plus, lemon water can help curb cravings. Sometimes when you think you're hungry, you might actually be dehydrated. Drinking a glass of lemon water can help you feel fuller for longer, supporting your weight loss journey. We live in a toxic world. Pollution, processed food, stress. That's where detoxification comes in. Lemon water is like a refreshing spa day for your insides. It helps to flush out toxins, boost your liver function, and leave you feeling refreshed. Lemons are a natural diuretic, helping your body get rid of excess water weight and flush out toxins through your urine. We've all been there. That scratchy, painful feeling in your throat that signals the start of a cold. Lemon is a sore throat superhero. It's a natural antibacterial agent and helps to thin out mucus. For the ultimate sore throat soother, combine lemon with honey. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties working synergistically with lemon to soothe your throat. Mix a tablespoon of honey and the juice of half a lemon in a cup of warm water, stir it up and sip slowly. So, there you have it. 5 amazing lemon home remedies that can boost your wellness naturally. From aiding digestion to brightening your skin, supporting weight loss, detoxifying your body, and soothing a sore throat, lemons really are the superheroes of the fruit world. If you found these home remedies helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Sadia's channel for more amazing wellness tips. And while you're at it, head over to my channel, Dr. Mike, for more evidence-based health information. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.